আজ বুধবার 12ই নভেম্বর আমরা গ্রিন আইল্যান্ড ক্রুজ ভিজিটে যাচ্ছি। আমরা এখন গ্রিন আনলিমিটেড বলে একটা ক্রুজে আছি। আর এটা পুরো এখানকার ফেরি ঘাট, সব ডিফারেন্ট কোম্পানি ক্রুজ জানে, সবাই গ্রিন আইল্যান্ড যাচ্ছে। এটা ফেরি গ্রিন আইল্যান্ড যেতে এখান থেকে 1 ঘন্টা কোনো সময় লাগবে।
কালারটা কত সুন্দর,
বিউটিফুল কালার।
We also feed them the natural food source of small little species of bait fish called tufts. And this is a very similar species to what these guys would be naturally eating in the water. So again, not sure of shaming what they're naturally doing. Yeah, there's not a good activity today. These guys are actually competitive. Now, the fish that we are getting in the water here, we got a couple of species. We've got seagulls very bravely trying to fly in to grab some food. But the main fish that we have hanging out in the water here today are our giant trevally. These are our large black fish that are very, very fast, super competitive, as you can see, crushing heads in the water, very, very awesome to see. Now, giant trevallies are a really, really cool species, getting up to nearly a metre of full size, and they're actually one of the fastest fish on the Great Barrier Reef, can get up to 60 kilometres an hour at full speed. They have this perfect body designed for hydrodynamics, so they literally are shaped, as you can see, like a torpedo. They've got that flat front face. They actually have ridges running down the sides of their body called scoops. Help channel water to their big sort tail. They give them these big, swooping snaps on speed. They're trying to get up fish feed here that I'm going to do. Now, the giant trevally usually are nocturnal species. So they like to hang around in shadow places during the day, low current areas. And a really perfect place for that is actually underneath our boat. So they have been hanging out underneath the boat all day, hanging out in the shadows, they're nice and relaxed. During the night time, these guys are very, very quick, very, very cunning predators. This blue seagull is so brave, and I'll get to that why he's being so brave in a second here. And these giant trevally, because they're nocturnal predators, their eyesight is
স্নর্কেলিং করছে এখানে। জলটা কি পরিষ্কার দেখুন, নিচে পাথর দেখা যাচ্ছে।
And where to find it in the very unlikely event of emergency today. So we ask your undivided attention for the next few moments while these videos are playing. Now we will also have crew members situated around the vessel, which will be showing you how to don our life jackets on board.
Reef Unlimited Cruise
These videos will also be showing
ছেড়ে
you
দিয়েছে।
how to go snorkeling. So for those that are snorkeling
বেরিয়ে
today,
এসছে।
we do ask that you keep watching these videos. We'll be showing you how to use your snorkel gear,
যে
where to
খাঁড়ি
go
মতো
snorkeling,
আছে,
what to do and what not to do, as well as where to meet for your glassman boat and
খাঁড়ির
swimming
মধ্যিখান দিয়ে
tools today.
সামনে দুটো পাহাড় দেখা
And
যাচ্ছে।
once again, it is about an hour and 20 minute
পাহাড়ের
journey
পাশ
out
দিয়ে
to Green Island today,
বেরিয়ে
getting us there at around 10:20 a.m. With the weather forecast around 10 to 15 knots of sea breeze coming from that easterly direction. So once again, if you do need to move around the vessel, please ensure you have 3 points of contact, so holding on where possible.
চারিদিকে পাহাড়,
Again, those videos are underway very shortly, so just sit back, relax, and enjoy your journey.
ইউক্যালিপটাসের বন আর
said this was 45 minutes.
Australia, one of the most beautiful tourist spot. From the glass bottom boat সামনে দেখা যাচ্ছে গ্রিন আইল্যান্ড। আমাদের ক্রুজটা দাঁড়িয়ে আছে ওখানে, চারিদিকে ছোট 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 পাহাড়। এইটা প্যাসিফিক, সাউথ প্যাসিফিক ওশান।
Dies, all of its carcass will eventually sink to the floor, and if it wasn't cleaned up over time, it would start to move so much that our water quality would severely drop. Essentially what happens is the sea cucumbers come along, they start to eat all of that detritus, keep it nice and clean. They also start to aerate all of that sand, lighting so invertebrates can access it. Think of it a little bit like when you're at home gardening, you get
কোরালগুলো নড়ছে এখানে।
Okay, everyone, have a look over this side first, and then I'll go to the other side. So have a look.
আমরা এখানে গ্রিন আইল্যান্ডের মিনি সাবমেরিন ট্রিপ হচ্ছে একটা, দেখছি জলের তলায় আমি।
Alrighty guys, on board the semi-submersible. My name is Caitlin. I'm going to be your guide for this afternoon's adventure to the beautiful Green Island Reef. As we are in a new boat, we're just going to go through a very quick bit of safety. Should we happen to run into one of those rare tropical icebergs today, we need to abandon ship. We do have 3 exits. There's one at the very back of the boat, one at the very front of the boat, and one.
আমাদের গ্রিন আইল্যান্ড ট্যুর শেষ হয়ে গেল। এখান থেকে আমাদের ক্রুজ যাত্রা শুরু করলো আবার ক্রায়ন যাওয়ার জন্যে। এখন বাজে 3:45, 3:42। আমরা 5টার সময় ওখানে পৌঁছে যাব। সুন্দর একটা দিন কাটলো আমাদের, গ্লাস বটম ট্যুর, একটা মিনি সাবমেরিন, দুটো ট্যুর করে আমরা সামনে দেখা যাচ্ছে সাউথ প্যাসিফিক ওশান। পুরোটা সাউথ প্যাসিফিক ওশান। গ্রিন আইল্যান্ড, এখানে একটা ক্রুজ দাঁড়িয়ে আছে, এর আমাদের পরে ছাড়বে। আর দূরে দেখা যাচ্ছে কিছু পাহাড়, এগুলো গ্রিন আইল্যান্ডের আশেপাশের পাহাড় এগুলো।